So now we are calling the situation what it is, genocide. There is a situation that's coming up, which is the Olympics coming up in 2022. And this is something that Arslan, who we spoke to earlier, is thinking about. Now that you've heard all of what is happening right now to the Uyghur people, Arslan is thinking about the Olympics and how we might be able to strategize around the Olympics. Have a look, have a listen.
The Chinese regime at the moment is simply incapable and unwilling to address its treatment of the Uyghur population. And when I mean treatment, I mean a genocide that is happening in the 21st century. Because for far too long, countries and governments have appeased China, both politically and economically, hoping that China one day became this democratic, liberal and free nation. But that simply hasn't happened. In fact, it's gotten worse. Now, the Beijing 2022 Olympics is right around the corner. And it's a chance for individuals, organizations, companies, countries and governments to take a stance and say, China, we do not support your genocide games. But the question is, how much are those entities willing to give up? How much influence, power and money are they willing to give up? The sort of power that China offers them.